Picture this. You're driving on a busy interstate when a small plane drops out of the sky and lands perfectly between the cars. That's exactly what happened this past Saturday on I-78 in Pennsylvania.
Allentown approach, Commander 4 Kilo Juliet. I'm returning to Allentown.
4 Kilo Juliet, Roger, do you need assistance?
I don't know. Let me figure this out. I've got partial loss of power.
Roger, just turn direct to field for now.
4 Kilo Juliet, bring. Actually, Reading closer, 4 Kilo Juliet.
Roger, do you want Queen City? It's just about 12 miles southeast of you.
I don't know. Let me see.
Yeah, you already made the turn. Queen City's about 14 and a half miles off your 105 heading.
4 Kilo Juliet.
They do have a runway 33 and the reciprocal 15.
Roger, 4 Kilo Juliet. Just see how we're making it. Still got partial power.
4 Kilo Juliet, looks like you're descending. Are you not able to hold altitude?
Negative, 4 Kilo Juliet.
Roger, the highway's just off your right.
Yeah, I don't want to land on the highway.
4 Kilo Juliet, in that area, the highway's the best thing I got.
Okay, 4 Kilo Juliet. Highway is that?
78.
Check your gears down.
4 Kilo Juliet, radar contact lost in the vicinity about a quarter-mile east or west of East Texas.
The 1995 Rockwell Commander 114B, call sign N114KJ, was flying from Solberg Airport in New Jersey toward Indiana when the pilot reported sudden engine trouble. Unable to reach a nearby airport, he made the split-second call to put the plane down on the straight, wide, eastbound lanes of I-78 near mile marker 45.6 in Lehigh County. Miraculously, both the 65-year-old pilot and his passenger walked away completely unharmed. No cars were hit, no injuries, and the plane was safely towed off the highway just hours later. This is a textbook example of pilot skill under pressure, and a reminder why engine failure training is drilled into every private pilot. The FAA is now investigating the Lycoming engine, but one thing is clear. Quick thinking turned a potential disaster into an incredible story of survival. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you're amazed by this landing, and subscribe to Runway Reports for more real aviation events explained.